that screens no so na and you be na be kan che say Kotoko performance no aba form
the picture I just a couple cycle back na picture na work kan okay what picture na say ya 10 11 12
oh last 5 games I have boy in the Ghana Premier League
okay
that's how this is league table Kotoko the 15th
but why should you use last 5 matches
and it's your current performance
okay
anything I me for the last 5 ni ahwe or last current performance awu
so per last 5 matches
teams Kotoko ya dey also me dreams Mina Sharks no wafa asan
na so Kotoko the 15
yes
per last 5
it's just performance na perform recently Kotoko na ani anim say yebo first one na nka yes ayiwe Kotoko na better first it just no more form but then so you am the 15th out of 18 it just Kotoko performance na ba form and like I was here kan okure and the Kotoko team me say from the players me wi ameko coach no so
okay
I saw Kotoko team na da na no kure nie yesi Nyankopon boni frani a no abon bo afo aka ho se mo anya Cameroon fo na afu ese nka Kotoko aso be yesi pa
sentro mo Kotoko
because omo free wa the other players no I come performance no from do omo mo ne masoro
but say normal
I can normal da
me ba uko e friend say Tottenham Hotspur am support about club see enya Hurricane you mean so one eje go o da je
me ba
uko Man United
Liverpool Salah Sadio Mane Luis Diaz Diego Dota on kwase be 20 goals even Minamino no one can see we say Minamino has more than 10 goals Minamino for Man City obi ese sa na e team enye nipa akope na wose de bi o se na nipa mi nipa na wose de bi o mo se yes na say opponent ni hu a they can easily stop you
na sa Ashanti go na ya wan nkwa na se
as good game no say ye hwe nipa o se goals kese pa was good ya wan no ba nyon nkwa na se goals ni ma ya
ho na se bi Ashanti go
you say your last game na won two defenders go
na wo kamoro je go
two defenders go
da bi o kamoro je
and me che say ye hwe Kotoko animu say Boateng Samuel Boateng Okocha 3 goals for Kotoko 0 assist Adomako 0 goal 0 assist Safu Taylor oba Kotoko yellow card we do so sin goals awase Safu Taylor oba Kotoko we did 3 yellow cards o say go nya assist this season we yemfa we mo Kotoko Fabio Gama only 2 assists 2-0 goal Lamte you started here now on board 3 goals be 2 assists and to free wash maybe even in Fege the last 7 games we say go omo
last 7
we say go in Fege and the Kotoko performance players na nkasa na so all performance say see you could see say ba form team dey say ka wani mo for ni timi say na nka midfielders na so support it and no as good dey na say as good bobo ni mu ye den a yerim say mfinfi wo eso mu betima ye adwuma ni bi dey amaye games na ya say bebre no say as go say 4 as go say 5 as go say 6 yeah we want say ya be born hat trick there but we benya midfielders ni bi no mo so say Kofi Nkrumah no kura timi say be from the ranks but like so Kotoko situation na currently as o munyi na ba ye twen say Cameroon for no be so man say dey asema ba and idea on say so Kotoko ba match we bia coach ni ta kan say me consistently on say sa performance na players ni put up no ye fa mo Kotoko enye Kotoko standard currently omo performance enye Kotoko standard coach na mu so currently how also coach Kotoko ni fa coach Kotoko
because now yes how is how is he coaching Kotoko
say Kotoko e last 5 games na Kotoko na 15th e say Kotoko performance Kotoko enya 4 points in their last 15 Kotoko enya 4 points in their last 15 so in their last 5 games na Kotoko abon o ma lose 11 points.
So why does the coach comes in?
He is coaching the team. Edru say emotion yes o benfo. Enti say abana say nenso mo say we must blame him. And like Adebako a must study about this Kotoko team. And they say no man na enko yem fama Kotoko no. A system failure. And nyina na individual mistakes nko a. Say team
failure no okay.
Say team. Na coach ni say system na mo bo. Na say system na amfa. Nipa e wo so correct say ada na coach no because na say system no. Say mo team. Na say coach na say for be to say Man City. Na Man City bo. Na say individual players mistake and on the day Pep the system na nkasa na what institute or Man City or amfa no so
okay
enti Kotoko dey na Ike a system no na currently emfa enti teams na ebo a ade mo hu se Kotoko system na se si a emfa na me kire no se teams ni Kotoko bo wi a yet asema mu coaches ne ka no
ka say
Franco omune out mu coach ne ka say
I say we clipped the team we soak the pressure and we went on counter attack.
Some coach so ka say coach Masoko no do
the same thing.
Say the system no omanya an antidote to it. Yes, a coach no system now born. The other coaches no nya no adro. It's only the same thing it will fail. And when a coach ni ba mu no.
The entire my idea is you are a video analyst. Yeah. So you can analyze Kotoko play no better
than anybody.
Yeah. Than anybody.
Yeah. And make a better analysis on Kotoko on a day any omoni as good as Abawi no. Yes. Because you know me Kotoko team no like.
Me try can say ya dem am sisi ya no. O twa ma Kotoko na go na wo de.
Dey be na me chese say e bia say me chese mi. But on say enye nyina na say me kan dia. Ma
dey dey say unu na kura you. Hey.
Me ma for me tia wo ka. Me say ya dem am na. O say just Kotoko me ba. O dey me ba.
We dey me hu na ye.
Me ba. Me ma for you tia wo ka.
I don't me letter ma.
And my assignment is say ya dey we say as a video analyst. Ultimately we catch them say Kotoko ne ask go the one way ya. You not analyze Kotoko.
Oh bani ba me ka. Say Kotoko team
analyze.
Can you na?
Man.
I want for laptop now.
One prepare.
I just man prepare.
One farmer.
Man farmer is different from man prepare.
Nyankopon ya adoma. E say ko botre. 3 to 3 there 24 hours. Etiefo ne obi e bo empire say Nyankopon ma nkwatentene. Na kina de enchon. E kina fa laptop ne bra. E ba kan se mi nti. Na do ye bema.
Hey.
There is always a way.
Yeah, there's always a way.
If you get to the break, you know how to
there's always a way.
So it is a system, no?
Yes, system. Nankasa na Kotoko bono.
Okay.
Coach, no, a very good coach. I'm finding antidote to it. I'm finding antidote to it.
But say if the weekend is anything to go and say you true, there. Then can prosper. Woman a charmer me. I am not a video analyst. What point and I say into your video analyst, you know. So what we say system na Kotoko bono. Coach is never find antidote to there. And you prosper. Woman a charmer me so say.
Because minimum so be kaya same we are. Time on board president cap ni we you know. Kotoko house of folk. O kai se bedro adwuma mo a board frame dey ankomo no die. Ensema Kwabena kan. Ensema Kwabena kan. The same thing about Duka like. The same thing. Timini Kwabena ba ya adwen say coaches no kofi. O say yamfa ne say wo ya de na wo ye no say wo nchenyi unsa no a if you are getting results you be having problems no. But if the results are not coming and man for say there be I say ye ni say. Me kofi. Legon cities any commercial Asante Kotoko. Master Kondi told me point blank say Kotoko team were more than 10 times. He knows how to score them. Meaning, what I say? Meaning, say the coaches in Kofi say now they find antidote to the kind of system Albo, and it's a sound kakra.
Me examples be
okay.
Me examples.
Okay.
And me share how me come west and say the way me ma any lead Emma obi enano because boss was a I saw we Kotoko. Me ma like games be on my ball. Anyhow teams be the show mo. No what asem na make na see. So we Kotoko ne has President's Cup now. It was one pass and a bar Razako. Or the shares are good.
Okay.
Kotoko against Legon cities. Almost the one pass, Sam you and a course Kotoko. First born a refugee penalty. No. It was just one pass. And a boy and Sophie boy and a penalty in the by. So where Yusuf Ate, born on Super Jadema. The Atukwena. It was and also just one pass. A BT Kotoko na till go on this one pass is two and a show. Again against Chelsea it was one pass. Chelsea for one far ball from Mbella Lucy Bono just one pass and the BT na strike Canadian one this year. Against Carella it was one pass the man and the red card. Best 6 instances.
Okay.
I can't say Mitchell.
To one pass in team Kotoko.
I can't say Mitchell. Did you team Kotoko say Franco?
Kwabena so kasa na mitio.
Ai,
Kwabena Danso meet you.
Kotoko almost solve it idea no. Almost solve it. They should solve it. Because teams now only omo bono.
Kwabena Danso.
Omo trase.
Many abra we yo. Mr. Kasana meet you.
I cannot change it.
At the end massa one pass no. So we can about 6 clubs just a pass. I beat 2 omo. At the end Kotoko on the right I meet you.
Aye, sorry Kotoko team na. The coach will work on the team. Me dey debate my country and say, "Aye, because my mouth be 6 instances. Obi had the one pass in the year,
and
that is the work of the coach. His work. That is the work of the coach.
Sa one pass na 6 clubs. E dey Kotoko just a pass no. E dey na Kotoko on the right intia. A single pass 6 clubs dey Kotoko. E na pese meti.
And me say. Sorry, medical may start medical can say system failure. No, the man yes, and said the system teams need him how to beat that system. The coach will work on it. Hey, no, Jumao. And because Kotoko get more lazy, no. Me the Bima coach because of power. Or she said the team, no. Mama says instances will be had one pass in a year, Juman against Kotoko. And your fluke. And your dear be at home, there be. Sir, dear Mrs. 6 times there, and your dear too. Yes. And it is the way the work of the coach. He should sit down. He should look at DNT. After
I even have issues if a coach identifying the problem is part of the solution.
Yes.
If a coach identifies say the players they are not even up to the standard, I even have issues with it. I have issues with it because these were the same players that they were delivering for you. At that material moment, one can say I can get to the standard of ABA HFM. I didn't have problem starting say air pop in. You say I can get to the standard of HFM.
Problem is system failure. And that system, the policy system in your coach, so he is the best person. Obehu baby I fairly no I solve this idea. So me in Kotoko subsequent games and one year they are metna say me. Se Kotoko game biana. Adia metina say am hwe and say sir teams no be so use the same thing to beat Kotoko and so use the same.
Utiasa as good be Kotoko no mo kwa kohwe just a pass.
Oh and I come say me pese say game no baso wi e baso wi a obeti Kotoko game na say bebre o beti ase bebre pa bebre Kotoko o se see and Franco yo baby a
why are you addressing Franco?
Oh, say
yo Kotoko o se and I
address me
but you Kotoko o se and I Kotoko team na nkasa no baby you am strength pa no and no weakness pa
baby at first pa na you Kotoko strength no
in fact the SSC are almost strength no and one no your weakness
dia
crossing. This is in Kotoko Ashe goes from crossing as any other areas on the field of play. Say a crossing ball.
Okay.
That same crossing no. And only the way Kotoko consider goals kesi pa this season.
How?
And say Kotoko edible air call. Now omo air crossing ball.
Okay.
Either from the left or from the right. Either a down cross, a cut back, and I say be a pejam crossing. Kotoko they say goals to any other method this season.
Okay.
The same crossing method no, and then the method that teams they say Kotoko pa this season.
And teams need to capitalize the Kotoko.
And that is the system failure na make one say. Any system failure and I think I expect the coach to work on this.
Crossing na o say and na Kotoko they say goals no. E see then the same crossing na some teams they say. Crossing no mo cross wa
ya. Omo be crossing na ya na eja hokon.
Kona na hu me we deep. The way. O dey.
Na I say so kai Kotoko ne was it Karela bo we na be kire mu e wa how Kotoko consider setting goals from crossing.
Crossing, yeah.
Maybe teams need position omo strikers need say how goes no. Ade a season we see bebre o in Kotoko games. See bebre in Kotoko games. It is a system failure. The coach will sit down to solve those problems. More find say players no go say players need no Kotoko standard or no Kotoko the Kotoko standard so your coach o say system na say a course we bo abaso but say see ano say 6 teams obi had one pass na here adwuma na who no see blame
Amakwada the defenders are not sharp. Nana Bafo Accra. Oh, Franco, I remember he was the same person who said there is no way Kotoko can't win this year's league, and I'm surprised the knobs of comments he's making right now. For Christ's sake, nothing is impossible. We will win to glorify God. Alex Ben Max Tell Franco that Asante Kotoko will get 9 points out of the remaining matches. Again, is he telling us Mediama will win all their matches? People are talking as if they, those behind Kotoko will not drop points. Oh, okay, will not drop points. Okay, Matthias here. Michael Owusu says, Michael Owusu, AK. Why should Asante Kotoko play 3 matches within 7 days? This was not what our able CEO was talking about. No, let me take the message again. Why should Asante Kotoko play 3 matches away within 7 days? This was what our able CEO was talking about. But because of hatred, we got some